Hello students, till now we have studied in this chapter the cost of capital under the three components: cost of debt, cost of equity shares and cost of debentures. Today we are going to study the last concept, that is weighted average cost of capital. In the weighted average cost of capital, we have to take all the three components, that is cost of equity, cost of preference shares and cost of debentures. Okay. Let us see the formula to calculate the cost of average weighted average cost of capital, that is K. K is equal to equity share capital into KE plus preference share capital into KP plus debt into KD divided by total long term funds into 100. This is a formula to calculate the weighted average cost of capital. Okay, so this is a formula to calculate weighted average cost of capital. Let us go through the problem and then we will calculate the weighted average cost of capital. Okay, so the problem is Smooth Gates Limited furnish the following details of its capital structure. First one, equity share capital rupees 8 lakh with a cost of equity shares 10%. So KE is 10% and total capital is 8 lakh. Preference share capital 5 lakh with a cost 12%. Debenture 6 lakh with a cost of 14%. Calculate the weighted average cost of capital. The formula we will write as I have explained you. The formula to calculate weighted average cost of this is equity share capital into KE plus preference share capital into KP plus debt into KD divided by total long term funds into 100. Now equity capital is 8 lakh, 8 lakh into 10% plus 5 lakh into 12% plus 6 lakh into 14%. Divided by 8 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 6 lakh, 8 plus 5 plus 6, so total is 19 lakh. Okay, so the total amount is 19 lakh. Now total all the three, you will get 2,24,000 divided by 19 lakh into 100, you will get 11.79%. 11.79 percent. Okay, now next this is how you have to calculate a cost of weighted average cost of debt. Here the cost is already given. See, KE is given, KP is given and KD is given. You just multiply with the capital and the total long term funds, add all the three capitals. Okay, so you will get 11.79%. Next is you have to calculate. Next, another problem we will go through under the cost of weighted average cost of capital. Say a company's after tax cost of capital is follow of tax is applicable only for debt. Okay, if you see the formula of a debt, we have 1 minus t. It means after tax we have a cost of debt. Now it is already given in the problem. Cost of debt 8%, preference shares 14%, equity is this much. The capital structure of the company: debt 3 lakh, preference shares 2 lakh, equity capital 5 lakh. Simple. Use the formula. Write first formula, the exact formula to calculate weighted average cost of capital. Then equity share capital into KE plus preference share capital into KP plus debt into KD divided by total long term funds into 100. So 5 lakh, equity capital is 5 lakh into KE. KE is 17%. Preference share capital is 14%, 2 lakh into 14%. Then here this is 3 lakh into 8%. And add the capital 5 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 3 lakh. If you total all these things, we will get 1,37,000 divided by 10 lakh into 100, 13.7%. Okay. Next. Next problem is this. The illustration thread 3.1, the 3.31. The capital structure of a company and the cost of capital or funds are given below. Calculated here. some portion is not there, it means here it is the capital, it is funds are. Okay. Okay, now the other information you have: debenture is book value and rate, preference book value and rate, equity share capital book value and rate. I think you can do this problem very easily, simple. I have explained you the remaining about two problems, similar it is. First, write down the formula: K is equal to equity share capital into KE plus preference share capital into KP and debt into KD divided by total long term funds into 100. Now this first is 2 lakh into 15% plus 550,000 into 9% plus 1 lakh 50,000 into 5%. Okay, so if you take all these things, then add all the three amount here, then calculate one by one. You will get 30, 4,500, 7,500. Total is 4 lakh into 100. You will get 42,000 divided by 4 lakh into 100. 10.5%. Okay, so this you will get 10.5%. Okay, go through the problem. If you have any doubts related to this, you can ask. It's simple one. The simple problem I have done. All the three problems are simple. The capital will be given, cost will be given, multiply, calculate the percentage. Okay. The formula is simple. Weighted average cost of capital formula you have to use and calculate the cost of weighted average cost of capital. Okay, any doubts you can clarify. Thank you.